What's up, everybody? DeAngelo here, and this video is going to be on 4 things that stop new people from making money online in CPA, FBA, or whatever it is. Pretty much universal, that these things happen with, right? So first things first is lack of research. Like, it always kills me that people literally do no research before jumping into something, when it comes to online. Like, they'll do absolutely no research whatsoever. Right, so they'll go to Google, and or YouTube, and literally watch one video. That's it. They'll literally watch one video, and then they'll get off and then go binge watch whatever TV shows that's out right now for the next 5 hours. Okay, you need to binge watch whatever topic you're going into. So, for example, when I found out about Amazon FBA, I spent like 2 or 3 days literally just watching videos, binge watching over and over and over and over, just taking in all the information I could get. That was it. That's all I wanted. I just wanted information, right? Do tons and tons and tons of research, because when a problem comes up, you'll already know about it. You'll already be able to combat it. You'll already be, aware of the problem. If you do no research, jump into something, then bam, as soon as that came up, that's something that could have been avoided. Now you just got hit with an obstacle. Now you just got hit with a fee. Now you just got your account shut down. And this is all stuff that could have been prevented if you simply did research. Right? And to make the research even quicker is buying courses. And that comes into the next one, right? People refusing to buy courses. So this is that broke mentality. They're like, oh, I'm giving my money to this person over here, and that's less money for me, and that's more money for them. That's all they see, but they're not seeing that they're getting value. Like, you might have someone literally go out and spend $100,000 on a campaign, do a whole bunch of testing, do all this stuff, and then literally document it and then give it to you for $500. Like, how can you not see the value in that? $500 for a campaign that someone literally spent over $100,000 for? That's just ridiculous. And a lot of people cannot see that value. They can't see that. Again, they're only focused on that, oh, this person's going to make, money and I'm going to lose money. That's all they're seeing. They're not seeing the value that they're going to get. So instead, they just don't want that person to make money, so they don't buy a course. It's just that simple, right? When they don't realize that the only person they're hurting is themselves, right? Because a lot of people that make courses already make money. At least that's how I hope you are buying courses from people who make money. If they make money, then they don't need you. It's just that simple. So the only person you're going to hurt is yourself from, not buying that course, because now, again, all the obstacles and all the stuff that could have been avoided, you're going to hit and stuff because, again, you didn't buy someone else's mistakes. All right, so buy courses, guys. Another thing is jumping from traffic source to traffic source to traffic source to traffic source to traffic source. You got to stop jumping from traffic source to traffic source. If you're going to run on Facebook, run on Facebook. If you're going to run on Bing, run on Bing. If you're going to run on mobile networks, run on there. Like native advertising, run on there, right? Okay, stick to one traffic source. All right, and stick it out, because if you put, let's say you got $500 and you try to put 100 over here, 100 over here, 100 over here, and you sure as hell better not ever try and run native advertising with $100, But let's say you try to split it all up, right, and you just see, oh, which one works the best or whatever. If you just took the whole $500 and you just stuck to one network, you're gonna have a lot higher chance to actually see results and get a good campaign going versus just $100. Because even if, let's say, you do get a campaign that, does really good or whatever, you're not going to have a budget to actually be able to do anything now. Let's say, though, the campaign on Bing starts doing 5x, but you only got $500 now. You only got $100 now. So now you just lost the 400 or whatever. So now you're back at the 500. But let's say in the week or whenever you get paid from your affiliate network, the campaign isn't doing as well anymore. So stick to one network, guys, okay? Stop spreading yourself out super thin, okay? Super simple stuff, but this stuff literally makes people lose so much money. And another thing is going out of order. So if you do buy a course, go in order, guys. Like, it sucks being at level 1, but that's something you got to deal with. And that's, again, thing too. Buy a course for level 1 people. If you are a level 1 person, buy a course for level 1, right? If you don't have the budget, I should say. If you got the budget, then I guess it really doesn't matter. But if you are a level 1 person and you don't have a budget, or anything like that, you gotta go with level 1 courses and courses that are for level 1 people. If you go out of order and let's say you, for like example, right? Let's say you got $500 in your bank account right now and you go buy the Team DeAngelo level 2 course. You will literally not be able to do a damn thing with that course. It's just that simple. I'm gonna tell you straight up. You would not be able to do a goddamn thing. Technically, you could still do level 1 because all that stuff is included with it. But like the level 2 stuff itself, you wouldn't be able to do anything because it's gonna cost at least another $1,500 to $2,000 plus just to get up and running in that, because you got to pay for your traffic, you got to pay for, you know, your software, your tracking, like all of that stuff, right? There's a whole bunch of stuff that you got to do. And if you buy just a course, you literally can't do anything with it. So go buy that, guys. But yeah, that's 4 things right there. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and all that fun stuff.